Fish Canine Training, and today I have with me Penny. Penny is a 1-year-old Boston Terrier who just got dropped off for our famous 14-day board and train program. Penny's here because she's just still a little bit of a puppy. She doesn't really have any behavioral issues. It actually sounds like she's a great dog in that respect. She's just a little bit pushy. She likes to jump up when she says hello. She likes to steal the family's kids' food when he's walking around. She's a little nibbly still, and then she has absolutely no leash manners or anything like that. Oh, and she loves to dart out the front door. So we've got a lot of things to work on over the next 14 days, but let's go ahead and see what she knows starting off. Penny, come. Good girl. Penny, can you sit? Penny. Penny, sit. Penny, sit. Good sit. Down. No. Down. Kisses and nibbles. Sit. Penny, sit. Penny, down. No. Sit. Down. Sit. I don't think we know down, but we got cute down pat. Let's go ahead and see about place. Penny, place. Oh, kind of. Penny, place. Penny, place. Oh, well, we're kind of there, but I don't think she knows it. All right, guys, so you can see we have a lot to work on over the next 14 days, but she's going to be a really fun pup, so I can't wait to show you her transformation. Enjoy. Penny, come on, guys.
Under the light on my soul, it's all about love. Wherever I am, whoever you are, you kindle the light on my soul. It's all about love. Wherever I am, whoever you are, you kindle the light on my soul. It's all about love. Wherever I am, whoever you are, you kindle the light on my soul. It's all about love. Wherever I am, whoever you are, you kindle the light on my soul. It's all about love. Wherever I am, whoever you are, you kindle the light on my soul. It's all about love. I decided not to give up on me. Bright lights, the city before me. I've got upon myself that drink, put some lipstick on it, big, really get myself together. Thank God I got some wisdom on me. It takes pain in order to gain it. I'm gonna pour myself that drink, sip some whiskey, have a think, and get myself together. Love is a way of breaking your heart. Love is a way of putting you down. Love is a way of making you feel like you've never ever really been found. Never been found. Decided not to give up on me. Bright lights, the city before me. I've got upon myself that drink, put some lipstick on it, make really get myself together. Thank God I got some wisdom on me. It takes pain in order to gain it. I'm gonna pour myself that drink, sip some whiskey, have a think, and get myself together. Love is a way of breaking your heart. Love is a way of putting you down. Love is a way of making you feel like you've never ever really been found. Never been found.